We'll guide you through how to download and install CurseForge for Minecraft mods and modpacks. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. CurseForge is an app, and with it you can easily go and get different Minecraft mods and modpacks. We'll guide you through downloading it, installing it, and using it. It's a really great app, so let's go and get started with this. So what you need to do is come and close out of Minecraft if you've currently got it open, like so. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server. There'll be a link in the description and in the pinned comment. Right now you can get 25% off your first order, so it's definitely worth checking them out. We can scroll down, you can check out some of their great features. One of my favorite things, the 24/7 servers and support, so you can get help for your always online server. They've got automated backups, unlimited slots, and you can get a free subdomain as well. So definitely go and check them out if you're in need of a server. So now let's go and continue. So what you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. So in this case, I'm going to go and use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And what you want to do is go and search for CurseForge, like so, and you want to come to the official site, CurseForge.com. So you don't actually have to go and get the app. It's way easier though, but you can just go and browse through mods here. But of course, in this guide, we're downloading and installing it. So go to the top right and you can press Get CurseForge App, like so. Here we are. So you can go and get it on Overwolf, but we're just going to be downloading it standalone, so you can go and press there. You're going to go and see that it's now gone and downloaded. So we can come out of our web browser. Next, you need to go and open up your file explorer. So you want to go to the bottom of your computer and you can find it and you can then open it up. In here, we need to head to our downloads. You can press downloads to the left and find the CurseForge Windows installer. Double click on it. Shortly, it's going to go and open up, as you can see. Choose your language and press next. Now go and wait. You'll see the installation folder. You need to make sure you've read the terms of use and privacy policy. I have, and I accept them. And I'm at least 18 years old, so I'll click that there and press next. Then here I'll press accept and install. You're now going to go and see CurseForge is now being downloaded and installed. Go and be patient. This will take longer if you've got a slow internet connection. Mine's pretty fast, which shouldn't go and take too long. Wait for it to install. And now what's super important to note is as well, you need to have an own Minecraft. So make sure you've got Minecraft downloaded on your computer. It's likely you have, and you need to have your account which you bought as well. When you bought it, you would have gone and set it up with a Microsoft account. So here I'll just go and press no thanks. And now it should shortly go and open up. As you can see, it's now installing. So essentially we went and downloaded the installer and now it's actually downloading what it needs and installing what it needs. So now it should go and open up. So you want to come over to the left and you need to go and find Minecraft. If you can't go and see that there, you will need to go and press the plus where it says add a game. You can go and do a scan or you can manually add it. As I said, you need to have it installed and owned. So go and click on it. Now you're going to go and see, I've already got some mod packs here because I've gone and used it before, but don't worry if you don't, we're going to guide you through this. So then what you need to do is if you want to go and download a mod pack, I'll show you how you can use it for getting other Minecraft mods and creating your own packs essentially and just playing with mods in a moment. But to go and get mod packs, press browse at the top. You can go and set the filter for mod packs and you can then browse through the different packs here and you can go and find one you want. So for example, let's say I wanted to go and get this one here, all the mods to the sky. What you can do is go and click on it and read about it. But to go and get it, you can press install in the top right. Now it's going to start downloading everything it needs and you can go and find it in my mod packs. You can go and see it here. So when it's finished, you can then go and hover over it and it will go and say play. You can still see it's currently installing. It will take a bit of time depending upon how many mods that it has, but sometimes it can take a bit of time. So go and be patient. But what you can do is go and essentially go and choose the mods you play with because with a mod pack, you're sort of given the mods, but you can go and choose the mods and create your own packs essentially. To do that, you can go and press browse at the top like so. Then where it says mod packs in the top left, you can go and select mods. So what you can then do is if there's a certain mod you want, you can go and search for it at the top. So I really like playing with a mod called Alex's Mobs. It goes and adds some new mobs, so I'll go and browse for it. This is it here. Then what I can do is go and press install to the right, wait for this to load. And what we're going to be able to do is we can go and choose we want to go and install it. You're going to want to press create a new profile. I'm going to name this GR video, like so. Then you can go and press create like this, go and wait, and it's now downloading. So now what you can do is you can just go and play with this mod here once it's finished, but also you can start adding more to go and create your own pack essentially. So you can go and press add content to the right, and then it's going to go and filter for the loader it's using and the version, and you can then browse through here and find other mods you may want to go and use. So you, for example, you may like to have the mini map, so I can go and press install as well. So you get the idea. You can browse through here and install different mods you may want to go and play together. In some cases though, you may just want to play with the one, so it really doesn't matter. You can now see here that it's finished, and so what we could then do is go to the top right and press play, and if we go and press my Modpacks in the top left, it's going to appear here as well. So you can go and hover over it and press play, and in the meantime, that mod pack we downloaded is still installing. Now, just before we get playing, you want to head to the bottom left and go and press settings. Then you want to go to the left and you want to go and find Minecraft, and you want to go down here. Now, it's important to note you may want to go and adjust the allocated memory. So this is the amount of RAM CurseForge can use. When you're playing with mod packs, especially larger ones like the one I'm downloading now, you will need to increase this as it's quite intensive. If you're just playing with one or two mods, it won't matter as much. But yeah, I'd recommend going and increasing this. I don't like to go and give an app more than half my RAM. You can see my total here is 32,000. So I could go and give it 16 happily. I mean, I'll go and give it about 8 or 9 and that'll be fine. But yeah, you may need to increase this as the default is low. Once you've made that change, we can then come back and you're going to go and see the mod pack's now finished. You can go and find it in this list here and you can then hover over it and go and click play. But also I made this one here so I can hover over this and press play. So as I said, you can do this with mod packs or just mods, which I quite like. Sometimes I do just want to play with like the mod I've got here, Alex's mods and the world map. So click play. Now what's going to happen is the Minecraft launcher will go and open up. If you look to the left of play, it's going to have your profile here and you can then press play, understand the risks and press play. I got this error here. If you do, that's fine. We're going to need Citadel. So we can come and close out of this and we can come back to the pack, wait for this to load, and you'll need to go and press content, press the plus, and then in here I can go and type it in and it should then go and find it. Here it is. Press install to the right and wait. It's now been added, so I can come and close out of this and we can press play again. And then what you can do is go and press mods and you'll go and see them there. And so here we are. You're going to go and notice I've got the map in the top left that you want to add it in. I can change that by pressing Y, and I've got this book because we got Alex's mobs. But of course, the mods you got may be different.